Hello guys and welcome back. In today's video, Christmas nail art. I already prepped my nails, and for this nail art I will go red. I will use the NeoNail Flash Effect Dancing in Mexico. And using a small thin brush, I like to use the Semilac Multi Tool. And I will start to create my French. And finally I take my French down and really easily I make this little triangle shape, which is the head of Santa Claus. And now I will dry it in the lamp. I will use some white paint gel, I'm using the one of NeoNail, and I will create the white furry parts of the head. First I will make the basic lines with that brush, then I will take a very thin brush and I will take out my color to make the furry effect. Doing the same thing here, I'm going with the second layer white on my French to create the furry border on the hat. And again with a thin brush, I will fluff down the fur. And then I will dry everything in the lamp. Second nail, I will use the same color and I will create a twirly effect. When I'm done with the red part, I will dry it in the lamp. For second color, I will use the Nails Company Show Glow in 002. And now when I'm done, I will dry it in the UV lamp. Next, I will still use the paint gel white because I wanted to create some icy effect. When I'm done with the white, I'm not dry it in the lamp, but leave it wet for the glitters. I dry it in the lamp and now I remove the excess of the glitter. Next nail will be all red. And after dry it in the lamp, I will make a snowflake. Next and last nail, I want to repeat again the Santa Claus hat because I really love it actually. Applying top coat to all the nails except the one with the icy effect. Cuticle oil. And that's how my little Christmas nails look like. This is how they look like with the natural light. And this is how they look like with flashlight. I truly hope you like it, or at least I gave you some inspo. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, which is a like. Subscribe to my channel if you didn't yet and you like my content, so you can support my channel and I can keep making more videos. And thank you again so much for watching, and I will see you next one. Bye!